So today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to put the Elegance Flowers transfer by ReDesign on this bedside. So this has been painted in obsidian blue chalk paint. We rolled it so we've got a nice smooth finish, but you don't have to do that, we just wanted a smooth finish. We've taken the handles out and they have also been painted. And now I'm going to get ready to use this transfer. So I have placed the first piece of my transfer. This one is from the extra large, so it comes in 6 panels, looking like this. As I said, I have trimmed the bottom of the panels so that they fit on here properly. As you can see, it doesn't go right down. So this is great. Then I have another 2 panels to use later on. So the transfers, when you've worked out where you want them, you peel off your backing. So you can see here, the backing just comes off and then you stick it on. So if it was something small like this, I'd just hold it and use the stick. But for something bigger, like this one, I have used a little bit of just painter's tape, the low stick masking tape, and just really gently pop it in place and that will hold it there. I've got this one that's going to wrap around the corner. I will do this part first and then wrap it around. So this is actually not properly, it isn't flat like it is here on the other side. I've left it quite loose so that if it does move or stretch or anything while I am rubbing it on, it will be fine around the other side. It's not going to move or stick to itself. So I am just going to use the stick that comes with, it comes in the tubes with these big ones, and I'll start rubbing it on. See, while rubbing it on, this has curves really subtly, but on the drawers, and obviously it will go around the corner as well. So I start in a flat part, rub it, and then just get the edge of your stick and go along, and that helps it go around the curves and keeps it all nice and neat and even. So this front part here now is pretty much rubbed on. So you just start pulling off the top layer and then you can see where you need to go more with your stick. So if it's not fully stuck down, just rub over it again. And it's just keeping an eye out for all the little bits. So the first one is now on. It's gone right around the side and I've peeled that top layer off. Now once you've done that, you just want to either run your fingers over the edges just to make sure it's fully stuck on, or just get a clean rag and again just gently go over all of the edges just to make sure that it's fully down. Now that this is all rubbed down, I will apply the next side. So I like to work across and then down. So I have got the next section, pulling the backing off and putting it down. And again, I've got my tape all ready to go, and it's just very carefully holding it where you don't have any of the transfer and lining it up on the side. Transfer is all on now, so it's all been lined up and pressed down with the rag. And now I just want to go over all these edges to cut out the drawers. So a few different tools you could use: a paint scraper, I've misplaced mine, something sharp and small like this is just a flathead screwdriver, your Stanley knife, or this is actually a transfer tool that you can buy by ReDesign. So it's great instead of using this because these can break. These are great, but they're also nice and thin, so it's going to get in my drawers here. So pretty much when you're doing it, you don't want to drag, you just want to press in and out. And it's just to break the seal of the transfer so we can pull the drawers out. So I'm going to do this whole bit. Once you've done it, run your fingers over it again like before, and yeah, then your drawers can come out, and then it's just waxing it or lacquering it to seal the whole piece, and your chalk paint finish as well, putting the handles back on, and this will be done.